How to fix app not downloading on iPhone. So today we are here with the troubleshooting steps for this. So let's get started. Firstly, check your internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If using cellular data, simply go to Settings, App Store and ensure app downloads over cellular are enabled. Now, after that, sign out and back into your Apple ID. Go to Settings, tap on your name on the top and scroll down and there you will get to see sign out option available there. Simply sign out, restart your iPhone and sign in back with your Apple ID. Now, check available storage. Simply go to the settings, scroll down, tap on the general option available there. Inside general, tap on the iPhone storage. Inside iPhone storage, ensure you have enough free space for the app. If storage is low, delete unnecessary apps, photos, or files. And lastly, if none of these works, then simply reset your iPhone. Go to the settings. Now inside settings, scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Inside general, scroll down, tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings. So that is it. This will reset Wi-Fi passwords and cellular settings, but it won't delete all your data on your phone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.